US dollar continues to strengthen a bit. Before we start, a quick word from our sponsor. This video is brought to you by XNets, the world's leading retail brokerage firm, offering ultra-fast execution and no overnight fees. Look for a link in the description below. The euro has initially tried to rally a bit during the trading session here on Thursday, but gave back gains again as we continue to threaten the 1.16 level. The 1.16 level is an area that I think a lot of traders will be paying attention to. And if we clear that to the downside, that could end up being a fairly negative turn of events. In fact, I suspect that we have to look at this as a market that is going to eventually have to come to terms with the fact that maybe, just maybe, we drop down to the 1.14 level, which is a significant support level backed up by the 200-day EMA. The US dollar has risen against the Japanese yen only to turn around and show signs of weakness, or better put, probably exhaustion. So with that being the case, I look at this as a market that, given enough time, will have to come to grips with the idea that a short-term pullback probably makes more sense than not, and we are going to be looking to do something about this gap. This, at least from a technical analysis standpoint, could drop all the way down to the 149 yen level, but I'm not really looking for that move. I think we probably got a little bit more juice in this market than that. But regardless, the one thing I will be looking for is a drop and then a bounce. At that point, then maybe I can get involved, but it's difficult to chase all the way up here. The Australian dollar has gone back and forth during trading on Thursday, and now it looks like we're just going to continue more of this sideways nonsensical malaise where we just aren't going anywhere. We're hanging around the 50-day EMA. And I do think, though, that if the US dollar suddenly takes off against other currencies, it probably sends the Australian dollar towards the 0.64 level. On a move higher, 0.67 should be significant resistance, but as things stand right now, it just looks like a market that's killing time. It really doesn't know what to do. That's pretty much been its pattern since middle of April. So I don't know that this is a market that you put a lot of money into, unless, of course, you're doing short-term range-bound trading, which has paid off quite well over the last several months. My name's Chris. I work for FXEmpire. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more analysis.